Hi, this is Cassie Woodard. Some stuff that I found this week was pbslearningmedia.org was really good because it can help you add lesson plans, videos, and supporting materials into Google Classroom. I loved that about that site because I use Google Classroom with one of my students that I work with, and it's awesome. And I guess if you just go to that site, then you can click share to your Google Classroom and assign it to your students, which I thought was pretty cool. You can easily search topics by grade level, subject matter, and even by standard. The Scholastic 25 Best Sites for Teachers. I really liked the daily starters. I thought it would be a fun way to get students' brains activated in the mornings. I think it'd be really cool to have it up on the whiteboard. And for when students are coming in, they can start working on their answers. They change it every single day, and they include subjects like language and math. They have a fun fact and then a teachable moment. Scholastic has really good links to games and resources for students to engage with. The Smart Exchange has fun games that you can customize for test prep or reviews that work with your interactive whiteboard. Like there was a game called Jeopardy on there that you customize the questions that you want to ask your students, and then they can play with their Chromebooks in sort of a interactive test prep or review. There's free lesson plans and activities. They're searchable by grade level and subject matter. It has a teacher's toolkit where you can find videos, classroom magazines, and vocabulary words. ForTeachers.org. To me, this site wasn't easy at first to maneuver. It wasn't as neat and tidy and organized as the others. But I did find that you can search for games by grade level and by subject. From there, you pick the type of game you want to play. You can have it geared towards the student's interest. They pick it. Like there's cars and animals, space, sports, etc. My daughter actually tried it last night. I was letting her pick what she wanted to do, and I had a hard time getting her to stop playing because she thought it was a lot of fun. The teachertube.com was an easy way to locate subject matter and organized by collections and channels, audio files, and documents. It was that site, that ForTeachers.org. It was helpful, but it wasn't my favorite one. The Kathy Schrock on Discovery Education. It helps you discover apps on your iPad or your tablet that are helpful for whatever you're trying to learn or teach. There was a lot of how-tos and blogs. I honestly did not like this site. I'll probably never go back. There was way too many links that had no description, and you'd have to click on it, and then it opened up a new window, and like 5 minutes later I had 20 windows up, and so I just felt like I was blindly clicking around in that site. I didn't really like it. Some apps that I've used before is Zoom. I used that for a group project that I had in my children's literature class. I liked it because you could do the group chats or the conferences, and you could record it, and that way if your teacher required to see your meetings, then you could send the whole meeting to your teacher. I thought that was pretty cool. Another site that I've used, or my daughter's used, is Prodigy. It's an app for helping students in math. We used it last year, and she enjoyed working on it at home, and it did improve her grade. So that is a few examples of apps. I guess another one she's using right now is called Class Dojo. The teacher can share messages or events that are going on in the classroom. She can share pictures with everybody that's connected to this Class Dojo. It also shows me behavior stuff, like if they have that clip up or clip down, so she clips up or clips down, then I get a notification that she had a behavior, good or bad, and what for. So I kind of like that. So anyways, that's my reflection on this week. Thanks.